we have learnt that conjunction means joining together. So, a conjunction is a joining word that is used for joining together sentences, words and groups of words. Let us learn about some new conjunctions today. Let us read this sentence. Samantha walks faster than Rick does. What do we understand when we read the sentence? We understand that there is a comparison happening here. What is the comparison happening for? The comparison is happening of the speed with which Samantha walks with the speed of Rick's. So, which word is helping us compare? The conjunction than is helping us compare Samantha's speed with Rick's speed. So, Samantha walks faster than Rick does. So, what do we see here? We see that than is used to show comparison between two things or persons. Now, let us read this sentence. The journey took longer than I expected. So, I expected the journey to take some time, but the journey took longer than what I had thought. So, what is the comparison happening here? So, the comparison is happening between the actual time that the journey took with the time that I had thought it would take. So, than is helping us compare here. Let us read this sentence now. The harvest of mangoes this year is much more than it was last year. So, last year there was a harvest of mangoes. This year the harvest of mangoes is much more. So, what are we comparing? We are comparing this year's harvest with last year's harvest. So, than is helping us compare the harvest of both the years. Ajay swims faster than Rohan does. What does this mean? This means we are comparing the speed of Ajay swimming with Rohan swimming. So, Ajay swims faster than Rohan. So, than is helping us compare. So, what do we understand here? That Ajay swims faster, Rohan does not swim as fast. And now, if I write it as Ajay swims as fast as Rohan does, then what happens? As is actually a conjunction used here, but as is telling us that Ajay swims just like Rohan. So, their speed of swimming is the same. So, as tells us that their speed of swimming is same. So, what are we seeing? We are seeing that as is used for comparison where the things or persons being compared are equal in some way. So, than was helping us compare when there was slight difference in the things or in the people. But as is used when they are equal in some way. Let us see this sentence. The junior team plays as good as their seniors do. What does this mean? This also means that the junior team plays equally good as their senior team. So, as is actually telling us that both the teams play equally good. His dream is to explore as many places as he can. So, what are we seeing here? That as is helping us compare. Now, what are we comparing? We are comparing the places that he dreams to explore with the places that he can actually explore. So, the comparison happening here is with his ability. Drink as much water as you can. Again, as is helping us compare. So, what are we comparing here? We are comparing the amount of water that he should drink with the amount of water that he can drink. So, again we are comparing his ability here. Now, fill in the blank with as or than. Let us read the sentence. The place is more pleasant in March dash it is in May. Can we say the place is more pleasant in March as it is in May? We cannot, because we have more written in the sentence. So, more tells us that there is a comparison where the things being compared is not the same. So, more pleasant is telling us it is not the same in March that it is in May. So, what will be the correct answer here? It will be than. So, the sentence will be the place is more pleasant in March than it is in May. Fill in the blank with as or as than. Let us read the sentence. He practiced dash long dash he could. What will be the correct answer? Can we say he practiced as long than he could? It is not making sense. Can we say he practiced as long as he could? Yes. So, the correct answer will be he practiced as long as he could. So, what did we learn today? We learned that as and than are two conjunctions that are used for comparison. We use as when the things or the people that we are comparing are similar in some way. And we use than as a conjunction when the things that we are comparing or the people we are comparing are not similar in some way. We have learnt about some new conjunctions today, and we will learn about more. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com or download the DeltaStep app to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You can also win amazing prizes like PlayStation, iPad, watches and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So learning at DeltaStep is not just fun and easy, it is also rewarding. So register for free now.